My name is Adiruma Biodun Emmanuel. So I studied electrical and electronics engineering from Kwara State University, Malete, and presently I'm working with an IoT firm where we actually deal with big data. That's what I do presently. My name is Rashid Ayidu Babatunde, a graduate of electronics electrical engineering, and I'm looking forward to delve into the world of renewable energy and harness the opportunity of optimizing the energy in wind.
Hi, my name is Okorisne Rosemary, a graduate of industrial chemistry from Covenant University, who is currently a project manager at a fintech company. I'm going to give kudos to Blossom Academy for giving us a good instruction, and then the instructors too, both online and then physical. By the time we had been put through this course, we have Google Classroom where you can actually get your notebooks, and then the tutors are actually doing a great job. They explain everything to the minima and everybody can actually comprehend. You can go back to the recorded class, and this is more than enough for us to learn. The support provided throughout my training program, I will give the accolade to the quality of instructors Blossom Academy provides, and the opportunities to learn at a paid platform for free in this program, which is the Data Camp. Trying to harness an external learning platform coupled with the in-class and the hybrid learning platform Blossom Academy provide for us, it gives me an intense understanding on every top topic and the whole program in general. My professional journey before this training, well, I'm currently a project manager, like I said, at a fintech company, and the issue I had was trying to interpret the data that we already had. But during this training, I was able to use, RNN, predictive, supervised and unsupervised learning to be able to interpret those data and make data-driven decisions. So before joining Blossom Academy, I was just a data analyst. I play with normal SQL and then do the basic analytics. And then proceeding, I noticed there is a need for predictive analytics. So that was my basic challenge. I've seen a lot of models online, seen a lot of projects, but I was wondering how I could actually do this on my own. But after joining Blossom Academy, it was a wonderful experience. I was taught and then given the privilege to do my own predictive analytics on myself, introduced to different algorithms and then model. And now I could have said I have overcome that challenges by Blossom Academy. I'm more of an academia, and I'm looking forward to delve into renewable energy. And as climate changes day in, day out, we have more and unstable data. So using the knowledge of data science, machine learning, future engineering, I will be able to bring all this data and try to extract the meaningful data from them and use them to predict the future and unexpected occurrences, so as to be able to generate energy from a renewable source, especially that of wind that I'm interested in. So I plan to use the skills I've learned to be able to interpret and visualize data using the predictive, the supervised and unsupervised learning to drive organizational growth and to also improve myself as a project manager in my field. I'm honored that I was being given the opportunity to learn with Blossom Academy under the umbrella of Digital Africa. Yeah, I'm going to say kudos to Blossom Academy and Digital Africa for giving us this privilege and also equipping us with the right set of tools to impact the business world and Africa at large. It has been such a wholesome experience. I've learned a lot. I've been able to understand data more, interpret data more, and visualize data more. And I've made a lot of friends, made a lot of connections, made a lot of network. And I implore anyone out there who wants to, broaden their horizon to please come and join us at Blossom Academy.